Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger blank screen. If you're encountering a blank screen in Messenger app, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet, that the connection is stable. Messenger requires an active internet connection to load the content. Or you could also try restarting the Messenger app. Open your Messenger app and simply close it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve display issues as well. Or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your phone or tablet can fix temporary glitches causing the blank screen as well. Or you could check for the updates. Go to the Play Store. Look out for the Messenger app on the top. Type down Messenger. Tap on it and open the Messenger app over here. And make sure you are using the latest version of the Messenger app. Check your App Store or Play Store for updates and install them if available. And if none of the above steps work, you can try uninstalling the Messenger app and reinstalling the Messenger back again. This can fix any corrupted files or setting that may be causing the blank screen as well. And if you are still experiencing a blank screen in Messenger, you can contact Messenger support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue you are experiencing, and they may be able to help you troubleshoot the problem. And by following the steps, you should be able to fix the blank screen issue in the Messenger app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Messenger blank screen. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.